Almost gave it away to McInerney. Glauber almost did the same. Almost gave it away too. Here is Toux. And the Union look for another one. Toux cuts in the box. Drives it. Casey goal! 3-0 Union!
Break him up! Break him up! They're hot! Conor Casey making the run into the near post. Good driven ball in by Sebastian Toux and a diving header. Are you kidding me, Philadelphia Union? Sebastian Toux again getting into the space. Running to the near post by Conor Casey. Gets in front of Andy Grunewald. Tremendous goal. Tremendous excitement.